everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Or welcome to if you're new. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you like it. Today I'm going to be doing a spectacles unboxing. They finally arrived. You guys cannot see my desk. My editing app automatically does that, so here's me opening it. Yeah, let's get back into the video. Sorry for interrupting. Well, I got them off Poshmark, so let's see if Poshmark's ones are the real deal. Wow, came right off. Okay, so this is the case they come in. They have little dots on them. I don't know if this is the version 1, version 2, version 3. I really don't know. Because again, it didn't say. Now, how am I supposed to open this? Oh, there's a little button right here. Did you push that? Ooh. So nice. Come on. And there's little see-through sides on the side. Boom. Do I look good in them? They fit. So, they do not have the directions. I don't know. How am I supposed to do this?
You want to help me?
Press that button. Okay, now. How am I supposed to do this? I think I need my phone to scan it, so I'm just going to do a screen recording. Whatever. Okay, so they were at 8%, so they need to be charged. They're charging it over here on my desk. But they do work with my phone. I was scared they weren't gonna, because it said it didn't work with iPhone 7, but it did. I don't know what's wrong with it, but here's my sister Beta. Say hi.
Hi.
So I'll be back to you when they're charged up. Okay, so I just got done figuring them out. They fall down sometimes because they're too big. I think the camera's on this side. Yeah, it is. So I'm going to take a 10-second video. You got to press this once. And that goes on. Hi, camera. It makes your arms look huge. I'm going to show you guys this video. So I'm going to go play the video that I just took. And that goes on. Hi, camera. It makes your arms look huge. I'm going to show you guys this video. And that goes on. So as you probably noticed, I was turning my phone around, and it was so cool how the video turned with it. It was amazing. Okay, everybody, my favorite part about them is that you can move your phone, and then it can move the picture with you. It's amazing. And these, so Poshmark deals might be real. I will tag in the username that I got this from. It was only $60. Actually, they gave me a private offer for normally $150 product. Isn't that crazy, Beta?
Yeah, that's crazy.
She's back there doing something with the party streamers.
They're not party streamers.
Well, I've never done an unboxing before, so tell me if you'd like me to do more of these. I was kind of worried when I got it, because on the side it says it only works for iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, 6, 5. It never said anything about the 7, because I have the 7. And I do record on the phone, because I don't really have a camera. Or I do, but I don't know where it's at, so I record on my phone. And if you don't like that, then I'm saving up for one. So tell me if you guys want to let me do more videos with these spectacles, because in my opinion they're awesome. So I would definitely recommend buying them if you were thinking about it. They used to be super rare, and these are version 2, I'm pretty sure, because they can take pictures, and version 1 can't do that. Well, there is version 3 now, but I didn't really like that style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye. Wait, one more thing. There's not going to be an intro or an outro, because I'm going to be posting these on 2 different, maybe 3 different accounts. Like my TikTok tutorials account, my vlog account, and maybe my other vlog account. So, bye everybody, and tell me if you want me to do more unboxings, because this is my first one. I really don't know what to do. They do not come with instructions, because I think the person that shipped them to me forgot to put those in there. I left a good review on them. I gave them 5 stars because they're amazing. So, bye. Again, let me know if you want me to do any unboxings. Have a good day. Bye.